Hey guys, I saw this product online and been reading the reviews. Everyone's been giving good reviews about it, and I said let me give it a try. It's called car cologne. So this is what it looks like. I already took it out of the box. Comes in this box. Car mist humidifier. Very neat product, as you can see. Fits right into your your cup holder, and this is the first time I'm using this, so let's see if it works. So yes guys, I've just added water to it, so now I'm gonna put the lid back on and see what happens. I've already put the scent on it, as you can see. Scent is on it, so let's see what happens. They say one click and then another click should give you spraying option, and if you hold it down for 3 seconds you should turn the lights on, and another 3 seconds and it should go to multicolor lights. So let's see what happens. There you go. There you go. Now, yep. And it's giving a wonderful smell. Very wonderful smell. And if I click another time, it should still spray. That's the auto spray. If I hold it down for 3 seconds, there you go, the light's on. And if I hold it down for another 3 seconds, there you go, rainbow lights. Yep, that's it. Another 3 seconds, turn the lights off, back to normal, to daylight settings. It's up to you, whatever option you choose. So there you go guys, car mist humidifier. I would recommend it. It's a good product, very good product. It does what it says, really does what it says. My car is starting to smell really fresh, and I'm loving it. Thanks.